Inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find inverse matrix of this given matrix, which is 2 by 2. That means has 2 rows and 2 columns. Then we will find the determinant of this given matrix A. We will use this to find the determinant of A. So let's find the determinant of the T of A. It's gonna be simple, and I wanna show this. Cross multiply these two numbers. 4 times 7 is 28. So 4 times 7 is 28. Right after DET, you must always minus sign before you do anything else. Now I want you to cross multiply the other 5 times 6 is 30. So now let's simplify these things. It's gonna get a negative 2. So our determinant of A turns out to be negative 2. In our second step, we will find the adjoint of this given matrix A. That means ADG of A, and we will find out. And we will use this to find the adjoint of A. So let's find the adjoint of A, adjoint matrix of this given right up here. So let's focus the diagonal fast, this number 4 and 7. So I want to swap this number 4 here and 7 this. Just simple 7 comes over here and 4 here. So 7 comes over here and 4 here, and this number 5 and 6 only change their sign. Those positive 5 becomes negative 5. So, and this positive 6 becomes negative 6, and that is your adjoint of A. And the final step, we gonna using the formula to find this inverse matrix A. So 1 over determinant of A times ADG of A, and here are step. We will use determinant of A is negative 2 and this ADG of A, and we will find out this step. And so let's go and apply and use this formula. A inverse of turns out to be equal to over negative 2 times 7, negative 5, and negative 6 and 4. Now since this fraction 1 over negative 2 is multiplying matrix, so that means this fraction we gonna get multiply with every element of this matrix. So let's multiply 7 over negative 2. So multiply 7 over negative 2, negative 5 over negative 2, negative 6 over negative 2, and 4 over negative 2. So let's simplify the fraction, and so negative 7 over 2. So this negative 7 becomes positive. Those gonna be 5 over 2, and this 3 and negative 2, and those are inverse matrix. So these are inverse matrix, if you can see this. So this is a final answer. This is our final answer.